Police in central Colorado are on the hunt for Doberman puppies as part of a homicide investigation linked to a local dog breeder who recently passed away. This intriguing case has detectives exploring the breeder's business connections in hopes of uncovering crucial leads. The puppies, integral to the breeder's enterprise, might hold the key to unraveling the circumstances surrounding his death. This unique investigative approach highlights the often overlooked complexities in how animal-related activities can intersect with human criminal cases. As officers track down these canine companions, every lead could potentially shed light on this mysterious and tragic event.